Imagine a world where your next illness is predicted before you even feel sick. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But thanks to artificial intelligence, this idea is becoming a reality. AI has the potential to change healthcare forever. But how reliable is it? And what could it mean for your health? Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how AI is reshaping healthcare and how it could affect you. What is AI doing in healthcare? Artificial intelligence has already changed industries like banking and transportation, and now it's shaking up healthcare. AI systems can study large amounts of data, like your medical history or even your smartwatch readings, to find patterns that humans might overlook. For example, Google Health is using AI to analyze eye scans and predict the risk of heart disease. Meanwhile, IBM Watson Health is helping doctors identify rare conditions faster than ever before. These aren't just cool inventions, they're tools that could save lives. How does AI predict illness? AI doesn't just look at your past medical records, it takes everything into account. It studies your genetics, daily habits, and even environmental factors to figure out your risk for illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, or cancer. Some AI programs use machine learning to pick up early signs of Alzheimer's based on how you speak or behave. Others analyze data from fitness trackers, like your heart rate, to warn you about potential heart issues. It's like having a health assistant that works 24/7 to keep an eye on your well-being. The challenges of using AI for health predictions. But hold on, it's not all perfect. AI's accuracy depends on the quality of the data it's trained with. If the data isn't good enough, the predictions could be wrong. This might lead to unnecessary stress or even delay the right treatments. Another big concern is privacy. When you share sensitive health data with AI platforms, you might wonder, who owns this information? How is it being used? These are important questions that the healthcare industry is still working to answer. Why AI in healthcare is still worth it? Even with these challenges, the benefits of AI in healthcare are huge. Detecting diseases early can save lives, lower medical costs, and give you personalized treatment plans based on your specific needs. Imagine being warned about a heart attack before it happens, or catching cancer at its earliest stage, and it's easier to treat. That's the kind of future AI is helping to build. How you can use AI to improve your health. So, how can you make the most of AI in your health journey? Here are some simple steps. Use wearables and health apps. Smartwatches and apps that track your heart rate, sleep, and activity can now offer AI-powered health tips. Learn about AI health tools. Look into platforms like Ada Health or Babylon Health, which use AI to give health advice. Don't skip doctor visits. Remember, AI can help, but it's not a replacement for seeing your doctor. Use it alongside professional advice. Understand your data rights. Before using any AI health app, read the privacy policy to make sure your data is safe and used responsibly. The goal is to use AI as a helpful tool, not as a replacement for regular healthcare. Wrapping up, the question isn't just whether AI can predict your next illness, it's how we can use this incredible technology in a way that benefits everyone. What do you think about AI in healthcare? Are you excited, or do you have concerns? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Join us next time as we explore more exciting health topics. Until then, take care and stay healthy.